Hello friends. In today's podcast, we are going to discuss about chemistry notes. As you all know, our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com it existing from last decade, and in this website we will provide chemistry notes for students of college and schools, and for school students notes on our website is available of 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th class chemistry. And if you are from outside India, then you can find these notes for your A or O level chemistry classes. Friends, maybe we label our notes with extension like 9th class chemistry notes, 10th class chemistry notes, 11th class chemistry notes, 12th class chemistry notes. But these notes are prepared from standard textbooks and which can be useful for every student. Means students who is studying from NCERT books, from CBSE books, from state board books or from any books which have chemistry syllabus. So if you are studying in these schools, you can visit our website and get notes of your topic. And college students pursuing graduation and post-graduation, studying BSc or MSc in chemistry can also visit our website to get some notes. We not still published all notes of graduation and post-graduation, but we cover many topics. So you can visit the website to get your notes. In upcoming time, we will try to publish all notes of graduation and post-graduation level. However, we publish all notes of school level chemistry. Friends, this podcast channel, Chemistry Notes Info, provide you the chemistry notes in audio format, and for word formats to read the notes you can visit our website. And if you wish to download the notes and read later, then you can visit our Telegram channel Chemistry Notes Info and download notes. Thank you friends. This is just about you inform about our notes. So we publish notes of school and college level chemistry along with notes of school and colleges. We also publish some articles related to science, spectroscopy, some infographics to understand from visual content, and videos and quizzes in which you can take part and solve the quizzes. And also we give the option to get the answer of the quiz, so don't worry about that. And similarly, there are so many categories in our website from where you can learn science and chemistry easily. So visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com to learn more about science and chemistry. Thank you friends. This is our just for information purpose podcast. See you soon in our upcoming podcast.